Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is new potatoes with cream cheese and chives. If you can't get any chives, you can use the green parts of spring onions, which is what we're doing. It's not that chives weren't available. When I asked my wife to pick some chives up, she said she didn't hear me. I think eating too much chocolate makes you deaf. Anyway, on with the cooking. First thing we do is cut the new potatoes into bite-sized pieces, place in a pan of salted water, bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes until just knife tender, then strain and reserve. The next thing we do is finely chop the shallots and garlic, followed by the chives or the green parts of the spring onions, whatever you're using. And you should have something that looks like this. Then you're ready to cook. And to do this, melt the butter in a suitably sized pan. When it's nice and hot, add the shallots and garlic and mix in well. When the garlic and shallots have softened, it's time to add in the cream cheese and combine together. Then it's salt and pepper to taste and thoroughly mix in. Then it's time to add in the chives or the green part of the spring onions. When these ingredients are thoroughly combined, put the potatoes in the pan and thoroughly coat in the cream cheese mixture. And then you're ready to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.